Hello, I would like to show you how to reset the Tipitaka Pali reader in case you're running into problems. So in order to do that, you have to either uninstall the application and reinstall it, or another thing you can do is you can delete the user settings file. So how do you do that? Let's do that. We'll go to open up the Explorer, and on the C drive, you're going to have a users. So I'm going to double click on that, and I'm going to click on bksub, which is my personal directory, and you would have a different name. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to AppData. You cannot see AppData unless you have the view show hidden items selected. If this is not selected, you don't see AppData. If it is selected, you see a little check mark there now. You'll see that once I selected it, there's a check mark here. That means I can see the hidden files, and it's slightly a different color. I'm going to click on AppData, Roaming, and this is the magic directory com.paauk. That's the monastery where we did some of the changes. And there's Tipitaka Pali reader right there. Then I'm going to delete this JSONs file, this shared preference JSON. If you want, you can delete the whole directory, and I'm going to delete it. And now I'm going to relaunch the program, and you can see that it's resetting now. So on Linux or Mac OS, you can search for that file. I'll have that file name in the video description. I think on Linux it is in the home directory. There's a .local.share.com.paauk, and then you'll find the Tipitaka Pali reader there. As for Mac OS, I don't know where that is. For the Android, you can delete the user data in the app settings. You can delete the user cache and the user data, and then it will reset. And so now this is fully reset as if it were a new install. So I hope this helps you. If there's any trouble, hopefully we won't have any trouble. But some people have had some problems and they didn't know how to reset, and so I hope that this can help people with their Pali studies to continue with their Pali studies even when there's a problem, and that we can help people to attain Nibbana safely and quickly. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.